Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am fixing the roots of this lace frontal. It's actually a lace closure, but yeah, so it's over bleached. And this is the beautiful hair, of course, guys, that's from LA. If you want any more information on it, you can hit me up in the comment section. But if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now, as you can see, these roots are definitely over bleached, and we have to fix them. I wanted to show you guys the color that I use, but the color that I'm actually using, I got it from the Dollar General, guys. And it wasn't a full pack of color. It was actually like a retouch pack. It was very affordable. It was like, I want to say like $3 and something. It was the smaller package to the regular box that I used to buy for $3.85, which is almost $6 now. So I opted to buy the regular, not the regular, but the smaller pack, the retouch pack. And I actually liked it. I'm sorry I threw away the pack, but it is at the Dollar General and it is Revlon. No, I'm lying. It is Garnier Fructis. It's very good. So what I'm going to do now, part this out, and we're going to get ready to get this baby going. The roots are very bad and I want to get them to like where the front is right there. So remember to glove up, guys. Follow the manufacturer's directions and get your mixture going, and get a little brush. I got this brush from Sally's Beauty Supply and it was perfect for this adventure. So this is basically a watch and learn. I'm not going to really talk too much in this. It's basically, just look and see what you can gather from this video, add it to your own technique, or if you're just trying to do a DIY and want to know how to fix yours. Now, what I did do before I started this color, I actually sprayed it down with something like Got to Be, but it wasn't Got to Be. I think it was that Kiss stuff from TikTok that I got. But yeah, very affordable and it works very well. So I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to let you guys watch it. Remember, guys, to leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and remember to subscribe, because if you like this video, it will get me out there in the algorithms, and I will get more views, and it will be good for me and you. So let's go and watch how to retouch your over bleached lace. So now we wait about 8 minutes and let this, do its thing. And we'll wash it out. And I'll show you. Here is the after result, guys. Look at that. It's actually almost perfect. Look at both sides. I'm going to bleach this a little bit more and give it some more highlights to make it a little bit more blonder. But you have to do it in steps. So this is the first step, but I just had to get the roots together. And I'm actually loving it. It's perfect all around. Yes. So this is my baby, the beautiful after result. This is actually my unit. And yeah, she's not styled or anything, but I just washed, deep conditioned her, and she's going to be ready for her second bleach around. And we're going to put some highlights in her and tone her down and make it a little bit more blonder. But I just wanted to show you guys how to get these roots done. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section. And remember to like this video right now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all so much. Mwah.